hello guys, hello viewers. Actually, to video to pish important ase. Ami taratari bona ase ki karne gulilo edu amian time short ase. Edo actually notification aise. Amian PFMS te chaile do admin holibi approver holibi operator holibi khulile do edu notification ahe. Please verify your email ID and mobile number before 1st October 2023. Otherwise, you will not be able to log in on Public Financial Management System website in online. Please ignore if already done. So, asal to itu problem hua karne, ami ki koro bare itu olap video to dekhai dibo ki karne guile to itu PFMS to aro every 6 months mohan update validate kuro lagibo. Phone number no libi email kan update kuro thakibo lage every 6 months. तो इदु तो आमी हन होता है गुरा लगा every 6 months ते गुरा लगा आसे एदु एपार राने नहे ट्यूबार राने नहे होता है गुरी ठाई बुआ as long as the account is active होली भी one particular aspect ते ना चाम दे मोए एकता notification दो एपार दिखाई दिबो की गाने आमी हन एदु गुरो ले लगे आरो why we are doing this I shall now show you the notification first. Now इदु आपने साबे Itu office memorandum ekta digina ase to the Ministry of Finance bra Department of Expenditure Controller General of Accounts Public Financial Management System big way PFMS big way mohan update thakibo lagibo hotai eja to because mohan acha PFMS laga system bra ja ase to head of institution bra sao pare nohile bi mutual understanding bra mohan etu responsibility to Mohala staff kan ke allocation kurina pi thakibo pare but they have to know so etu laga office memorandum de subject to hole the implementation of know your user functionality for users identification to etu la already na ase to etu mohan achi olap we'll just go through it to etu ami khan niche de saile to mohan email or mobile to mohan update kura bichite yade ase OTP wara ta ham verify kubo edu has to ami han niche de jai sai shegule to we have key points some of the key points the OTP remains valid for a limited period within which the user has to authenticate agency user details which means for 4 to 5 minutes rakhi dibo tahan edu noha age de expire hoi jabo OTP do one time password no to hoilibi ami yadi pura puri gina goa bra to অলপ শর্ট ভিডিও দে দেখাই দিলে হে অলপ ভাল হনে কি ভাবনা কৰা বৰা এটো আমি এটো অর্ডার তো ফার্স্ট হি ইনি দেখাই দিছে অর্ডার না থাকি কিনা তো আমি আকু করলুই না লাগে হলিবি অর্ডার তো আই যেছে অফিস মেমোরেন্ডাম আই যেছে তো উই হ্যাভ টু ডু ইট বাই এনি মিন্স একটা কথা আছে আৰু আমি খান পাসওয়ার্ড ইউজার নেম খান না থাকিলে তো আমি খান ব্লক অ্যাকাউন্টেন্ট থাকে নহলে ব্লক এডমিন থাকে itu officer kan ke mohan kindaga olipi contact kurigina we have to ask for the username and then the password okay mohan echa PFMS laga homepage te jaibo aro amian PFMS la website te jaibi first admin te jaibi enaga kurigina after you enter the username and password captcha mohan enter kro lago tade itu bishi careful kro lage because very bishi sensitive ase itu ra small letter bhi ase big letter bhi ase we have to be very careful with this after that you log in edu biside amnian screen te dekhan china edu yedi likhina ase please verify your email ID and mobile number before 1st October 2023 otherwise you will not be able to log in on PFMS website by any means we have to update or validate our email ID and mobile number. First, we must go to my details. Office memo de konjna my details te japi aro tade jaigi na my profile de jai jabi. To my profile de jai sigule to ida screen de admin de do ki go sob thik tak ase. Hoili bi apuni satisfied hoan regule to then you can click edit আপনি satisfied huo karne ekta group I can choose different email ID if I have to change to ina gorina phone number bi thik nai gule to apuni change kon update koribi holi bi update kora biside apuni phone number change korisile to OTP verify koro lagibo apuni email to change korisile to OTP verify koro lagibo kotha te bi ase to apuni nutun halibo gule to sob OTP verify koro lagibo de okay at this point I have changed my email ID. See, before it was gmail.com. Now I have changed it to yahoo.com. So they are asking for OTP to verify that, to validate the email. Send OTP on the email. You have to wait for the OTP. Kindly check your email inbox. OTP to the inbox ta aina thakibo de. To sai libi. OTP ai jise. Idu OTP to moi eja enter koro ase. So let's see. Okay, 5C9 F28 all small letter, and after this click verify. To click verify hua biside apni update te click korisile to itu ai jabo, itu page ai jabo, itu page ai jise. See, amila email address change kori je, phone number to thik ase ami change kora nai. Moi ja data administrator de ase. Itu biside ami am inchide chai sai shugile to search approver de click koribo mohan. Search approver. Moi la scheme do my scheme moi samagra shiksha click korise. Agency code to edu ase. Okay. State level de kun bra moi laga approve koro lase eton sob olai jabo. Apni last to apni ki koro lase gule do submit for approval. Sabi apni submit no kura amda apna detail to phal kora sabi de. Administrator moi laga nam aro ki koe mola phone number email to moi change korise. Gmail bra yahoo de change korise re. Aro edu sob thik ase. To edu de search approver de tapaise. Itu niche wala do my scheme do samagra shiksha de click korise paki do ami han chubule kam nai. The rest we don't have to click anything. So after that you have to click the submit for approval. To submit for approval disile all the details are here. Now in the last column you can see that last column means here this one status. I have submitted my detail. So itu state level bra amige approve koribo tahan, which means it's successful now in the admin data administrator do moido hoise mola my duty is completed. Now here approver aro operator do kinaga na change korobo etu step by step chabo lagibo ami han mohan bra he piche de admin de ahi gina login korigina master de jaigina user manage korigina mohan tahang de approve koro lagibo yede bra etu he ase. Easy ase. Itu after 6 months aro mohan epar etu system grobo etu do na bahor na thakile bhal bina janai dia ase. To ami guanjna aro mohan epar PFMS website te jai jibo ami khan username password to tik tak dia biside captcha do hali lobo aro ekta information whether it's operator or approver the steps are same for updating their email and phone number. So I'll be using only one data user. Itu bra ekta dekhale abuni han sob puji jabo gina moi mola hisab kitab enaga ase. To ami guanjina etu captcha do bishi careful koril de. Small letter bi ase, numbering bi ase, aro big letter bi ase. Etu mistake khaile do password khan username khan tik thak holi bi login koro na probo. To login korishile do etu page ai jabo. Etu lal laga notification do. Etu bichide apni khan my details te jaigina my profiles te click koribi. To hole do etu page ai jabo. Etu ami khan my details my profile te jaisi gole do etu page ai jabo. You have to click the edit once. This page will pop up. Etu page to olai jabo. Etu bichide phone number change korola koribi, email change korola koribi. Etu biside apni han update to click koribi de. To update to click kora biside etu page ai jabo. Itu page aya pichite to right side te sabi send OTP on email. Itu phone number change kura ase kule to send OTP on SMS. Holibi email change kura ase itu pra send OTP on email. Itu click kuribi. Itu la text box ai jabo. Itu page aro notun aibo. Itu likhi kina ase OTP send on your registered email ID. To apuni email check kuro lagibo OTP karne 5 minutes rakhi diye holibi 2-3 minutes the email ahi jai. Itu bichi tate OTP thakibo phalra enter koribi small letter big letter sabi numeric kan sabi ena enter korina you have to click verify OTP. OTP do verify hua bichi de aro appar update to click kuro lagibo. Update koina likhina ase tate appar click korisile do alag page olabo apuni niche de saile do submit request detail gana thaibo tate click kori dibi to operator laga kam do yede bor khotam echa to admin la kam hi ase. Okay, now like I said before echa to sob admin la kam hi ase aro etu to this is going to be the last step. Echa to admin bra talaga username password haligina entry kuriya bishte bhal carefully entry kuriya bishte login korobo. Admin bra login hua bishte etu page ai jabo. Now tai ki grow le lage tai grow lagibo etu master de click grow lagibo masters users manage tate manage te he click grow lagibo masters users manage to click grow bishite to ku click nogona search te click koribi search te click korile detail sob alai jabo niche de sai sebi last column de sabi edit request approve likhia do admin bra approve kor dise approve na likhi kina agency admin submitted koina lal hyperlink orai shigule do red hyperlink olai shigule do lal thakjile do itu do approve hane so admin bra itu ever click ro lagibo agency admin submitted itu click ro ba to itu click rishile do itu page compare agency users details koina ai jabo to tade email do operator bra email do change korise holibi admin bra approve korole lagi ase itu agency operator la detail kan sob phal ra sa bichide admin bra okay this is fine this is good chalda he koile do tai approve krobo itu approve kro garne do approve or reject kona button ase nije de approve or reject approve oblique reject so tade appar click kro lagibo admin bra approve te appar click kro etu bichide remarks aibo etu remarks te do ami khan approve likhile ho jabo etu bichide approve likha bichide approve click koribi etu approve click krishi gule to record approved successfully which means it's been verified to hole do etu operator la kam bi khotom ho jise admin bra approve kor dise to same thing agency data approver bi same step si lobo agency data operator bi same step si lobo to etu bra moi ekta hi dikhaise agency data operator la dikhaise holi bi procedure do same ase dina apni hange chanai di ase to for 6 months validation of email and phone number is completed so now everything is okay it has thank you so much for watching this video and do subscribe to my channel. I will be bringing up new videos in the days to come.